I'm here to talk about little childhood fantasies and nature. When we are adults, we put ourselves in the big, big world. We forget that when we are children, we feel very small, and when we are small, we like to put ourselves in the little fantasies that we put ourselves when we are on places like the nature of the forest, like here in Idyllwild. Here in Idyllwild, I keep forgetting the name because we just got here. I'm here with my friends, Coo. Say hi, Coo.
Hi.
And I'm also here with Giddy. Say hello, Giddy.
Hello, Giddy.
And we are going to show you how to be the little childhood fantasies that we used to be when we were little kids. And we are going to learn to play and be the art of nature. Here we go. Come on, let's go.
Let's go.
And Giddy presents A Dance in the Woods.
So what is it you're making, Coo?
I found some rocks, and I thought I'd make a ring. Wouldn't that be pretty? I cut some wire, and then I'm gonna put a wire around it, and then.
Wow, those are fancy rings.
Be fancy. I made one for everybody.
Ooh.
They're cool.
Here's Mousy. Oh, Kitty Mousy. Kitty Mousy. Kitty Mousy. Kitty Mousy. Mousy. Hi, Mousy. Be one with nature.